3 truths about mastery na hindi mo magugustuhan. Number 1, you'll fail more than you win. Ang talagang nagmamaster ng kanilang ginagawa, mas madalas natatalo kesa manalo. Madalas napapanood nyo lang yung nananalo na sila. Number 2, discipline feels boring. Kaya mo bang magpatuloy sa isang bagay na ginagawa mo ng paulit, ulit, and you do it for years. Hindi lahat ng tao kaya ang disiplina to master one craft. And last but not the least, walang papalakpak sa'yo kahit consistent ka at may results. Nobody will clap for your consistency. Pero ang consistency is the result of a carefree state of mind. Mastery isn't fireworks. It's repetition under pressure. While others chase hype, ang magagaling at talagang master nag-chase ng momentum at ng growth. Ang pinakamalupit is showing up on days na napakahirap mag-show up. At walang tsamba doon. Ang tawag doon, commitment. Because mastery is quiet discipline combined with grit and vision. Ikaw, ano bang vision mo para sa sarili mo? Anong skill ang mamasterin mo ngayong taon?